Well, hello everyone, my name is Daniel here, so we're back into another video about I have a little update of our channel. It's called Garage Door Show. So this door is super old, just like the other one that I said. This one has the Chamberlain keypad. It says 940 EV. So this one, I have this type of remote, but the other one is still in the car, so you could zoom in there. So let's open this up. That's kind of loud, isn't it? So this one, I was replacing this one, the rail for the new opener. This is the little handle that connects the garage door. The opener is called Chamberlain, powered by my Q Wi-Fi.
Stop recording.
So we're in the inside of the garage, and we have a wall control. There's the wall control right there. So let me click it. Oh wait, no. I wanna do the outside view. So I'll show you the sensors. There's one right here. This one is orange, and if you go to the other side, that's the green one right there. This is brand new. This is from Chamberlain on the door track of the garage door. So I want to do with the keypad outside for you. Let me put in my code. So let's try with the remote again. So there's a lot of mess here, so you don't need to worry about that. So the wire is yellow that I showed you, that the other video that I showed you how to program the remotes, just like this one. But you know, my other opener is called LiftMaster, but it's broken long time ago, since 2022. It just took that out of the other one, and they put in the LiftMaster rail, but it looks sounding like LiftMaster, but it's by ChamberlainGroup.com. So I don't know the model of the door. I don't know what it is to say here. So let's go an outside view, and let me push the wall button. So here it goes. So that's the video, everyone. Make sure to subscribe, make the comments below, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button about my garage door opener with my remote and the keypad outside. Have a great day. See you next time. Goodbye.